Hi and welcome to Virtual's Guru, where barbecue and grilling is made tasty. I'm Brandon Tanner, and today we're doing some smoked candied salmon, which is one of our favorites. We've done a recipe before that was with gin. This one's going to be with bourbon, so we're switching it up a little bit. One of the subscribers actually did some Canadian whiskey the other day, that turned out really good, so I'm going to give bourbon a try and give that a go, see how it goes. If you like this type of content,
please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video like this one.
That's pretty good. Okay. So anyways, for this particular one, what we're going to be doing is using Atlantic salmon, and the reason I like to do that is because we actually get it at Costco, and it comes already without the skin on it, so that's how you want to do these. You don't want the skin on them. And then we're going to it'll have all the detailed instructions if you click more below, with the exact amounts I'm using and the whole 9 yards for the brine. But basically we're going to be using salt, this kosher salt, some maple syrup, and it's a grade A maple syrup, so that's one of the things, one of the flavors you're going to really taste in this is the type of maple syrup you use. So I have used like bourbon barrel maple syrup before, but I didn't want to do too much with doing a bourbon. You don't need an expensive bourbon, that's up to you. You can do that if you want. I found it's not going to make that big of a difference, so it's kind of a cooking bourbon for me. And then brown sugar is what we're going to put on once we put it on the grill, and then some black pepper to taste, and it's probably a teaspoon of black pepper or something depending on your taste of preference, but it's a really easy way to do it. We're going to cut it into cubes, and then we're going to brine those cubes, and then we'll put those on tomorrow after it brines overnight, and then smoke it for 3 to 4 hours until we get it to where we want it to be. So with that, should we get to cutting and brining?
The cats are killing each other.
Cats are at war over here. Alright, thanks. Add 2 cups of bourbon. Add 1 cup of maple syrup. Half cup of kosher salt used here. You can always use a 1/4 cup if you like a little less salt. And this is about a tablespoon of ground black pepper. Time to mix the ingredients. I like to cut mine into 1 to 2 inch cubes. Mix in the brine and store in the refrigerator overnight, mixing occasionally. I smoked the salmon between 180 to 200 degrees, and I used some aluminum foil and some non-stick cook spray. Sprinkle with some dark brown sugar. A little over 3 hours into the cook, and we're done to perfection. Alright, so to make the candied salmon, my teenage daughter that's stubborn about being in the videos now, if I made it, she had to be in it, so now she's in it for the official taste test. Give her a try. Is it good? This is the new bourbon style versus the gin, so a little bit different, right? Tastes good though? Alright, if you like this type of content, what do you do?
Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video like this one.
Good job.